एक नाम आया है पहला, पिंकी। तब तक
Yes,
बाकी
sir.
के लोग नाम डालो अपने अपने। पिंकी के बाद प्रदीप का नाम आ गया, वेरी गुड। हाँ यस, कमन पिंकी, स्टार्ट करो।
Jai Hind all of you. My name is Pinky Olia. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from 9 batch. Today I am telling city life. City life is good and bad. Bad. There are many facility in the city like that hospital. There are many big hospital like that Jaipurya, Calgi Hospital, etc.
लाइक के साथ दैट मत लगाया करो, बस खाली लाइक ही बोला करो।
Okay, sir. There are many big hostel. There are many big school. There are many big college and libraries. There are many. There are many crimes in the city like that. Like crimes and क्या sir
थेफ्ट्स,
thefts
क्राइम,
and
हाँ।
sir crimes कौन कौन से होते हैं?
थेफ्ट हो गया, किडनैपिंग हो गया, रेपिंग हो
Theft,
गया।
kidnapping and etc. There are many pollution in the city because there are not trees in the city. So government should government should grow many trees in the city and there are many pollution in the city
मैंने नहीं,
because
मच
there
पॉल्यूशन।
much pollution because there are many traffic in the city like and big क्या big big factories and vehicles etc. And there are many manoranjan in the city.
मैंने एंटरटेनमेंट मीन्स।
Sorry, entertainment in the city and big picture hall and park in the city and there are many uh, there are many sorry there are pakki road in the city
हाँ।
and there are many government hospital in the city and there are many parks in the city
हाँ।
and there are many uh, facility in the city. That's it.
ओके।
Thank you, Guruji.
ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी है, बस करते रहो आप, है ना।
Yes.
ओके, वेरी गुड, यस कमन प्रदीप।
Yes, sir. Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Meena and I am the student of Ramban online classes from batch P9. Today's our topic is city life. City's life is very harmful and helpful for us. There are most of people live and life in a big city is mostly fast. There is a lot of competition all around. Everyone want to everyone want to do better than the other and keep struggling day and night to further their aim to reach their aim. And most of people have vehicles in city, so these the causes of pollution in cities. There are lacking of trees in the city. There are the good thing in the city is that there are uh, there are many facilities in city like hospital, school, supermarket, shopping mall, etc. There are many type of people live in cities. Mostly there are three type of people live in city. First is poor, second is medium person, and third is richest person. Poor lives in slum areas in the city. They buy his product by Sunday market and super and they buys their products and important thing in by thok market
Product नहीं,
and
things.
things by thok market. And second is medium. Medium also like a richest person, but they they have money in for they have money for a good life,
शाबाश,
and
बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, वेरी गुड, बोलो, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, वेरी गुड.
they have money for good life, and they buy their things by supermarket, market,
From,
mall, from
buy नहीं, from supermarket. हाँ.
supermarket, it from supermarket, malls, and they able to
They are able.
they are able to use high use many facilities in the cities, and the richest person is very rich. They mostly richest person help poor person, and they and richest person have many money, so they
Many money नहीं, much money.
much money, so they also buy all the thing expensive and costly, that is expensive and costly. And they also सर ध्यान रखने को क्या कहते हैं अपन
Care.
care. They also care by their health,
For their health.
for their health. And in the cities we found roadways buses and
Found क्यों, find आना चाहिए ना, टेंस का ध्यान रखो, प्रेजेंट में नहीं चलेगा सारा.
we find roadways buses, train, aeroplane, etc. There in the cities there are many traffic
Many
in
नहीं,
the
much
there
traffic.
there are much traffic
Are
at the
नहीं,
time
is.
is there is much traffic at evening or morning.
Hmm.
Most of people work in city for care their family, and most of people work for earn money in city.
Hmm.
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते हो आप.
Thank you,
और
sir.
कोशिश करते रहो, राइटिंग जरूर करते रहना.
Yes, sir.
वेरी
सर
गुड.
एज ए राइटिंग में मैं एक टॉपिक लिख रहा था, उसका नाम था आर डे विथ माई क्लासमेट.
तो लिखा करो, कुछ ना कुछ आप लिखते रहोगे बस, है ना.
यस सर.
यस, कम ऑन यामिनी.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes Batch B9. Today, my topic is city life. City life is very comfortable because so many facilities available there. So many big libraries, in cities, in which in which so many useful books like history books, space traveling books, etc. There are public boards, good hospitals, um, good schools, etc. There are big hostels because so many children come 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 in city and study. So सही है?
सही है, बोल.
Okay, sir. Um, so there are no trees, no pets, and no fresh air. They are only for pollution.
Hmm.
So the city life is very So city life has so many
Shabash.
facilities. Because so many successful logs live there.
Hmm.
So many doctors uh, live there um, and and watch and work good hospitals
Hmm.
and and city city livers all city livers always fit because good hospitals there. There are no fresh water because there are no trees. City, city livers city livers use RO provide fresh water. The, there are no trees. So I request people कि we grow trees and we help each other. Thank you. That's it, sir.
बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी तुमने, शाबाश। सुनना ध्यान से, कुछ गलतियां मिलेंगी अपनी,
Thank you, sir.
अगली बार उनको ठीक करने की कोशिश करना। ओके, वेल डन। यस, कम ऑन मनीषा। मनीषा।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. I am Manisha, a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch B9. I am telling about city life. City life, city life is very helpful and harmful. But first of all, I am telling about city life is very helpful for us. Like India is a very biggest country, so biggest country.
वेरी
There has
बिगेस्ट नहीं आता है बेटा कभी भी।
very
वेरी
big
बिग
country,
कंट्री।
very big country. There has many cities and
एज नहीं,
villages.
देयर आर।
There are many cities and villages. There villages. um, 70% people live in village and 30% peoples live in city place. The city life is very helpful for us. There is many source of
एज नहीं आर।
there are many source of earn money,
सोर्सेज, मैनी
sources of
सोर्सेज
many sources of earn money. And
ऑफ
there
अर्निंग
are
मनी। हाँ,
of earning money. There are many hospit there has many hospitals.
फिर एज लगा रही है।
Sorry,
सब देयर के सब देयर आर।
sorry. There are many hospitals and schools and big coachings, and there the in hospitals. In hospitals experience doctors and in school teachers and etc. There has a good
फिर एज लगा है।
no, sorry, there are good roads. And second I'm telling about the city life is very harmful because there is many pollution. There
मच
is
पॉल्यूशन।
much pollution. So there are no fresh air. There are fresh fruits, vegetables, and etc. There the village pupils live came there and live. They sell their farmers. They sell their fields and came here.
गेम क्यों, कम प्रेजेंट में तो आएगा।
Sorry, come here, but they face many problems in city like house and etc. they the the farmers the farmers the farmers do hard work in city and earn money. They work in they work like they do work like house hand house and
हाउस एंड हाउस क्या हुआ है?
sorry hand house नहीं sorry sir, they like servants सर उनमें क्या बोलते हैं, कारखानों में काम करना को क्या बोलते हैं,
हाँ बोल क्या?
कारखानों में काम करने को
वर्क इन फैक्ट्रीज.
they work in factories etc. They live in a room. Many pupils live in a room, so they face many problems like sleeping, cooking etc. They sleep there has
रेज लगाया
that
आपने.
sorry there are very biggest buildings. There are
नहीं, नहीं.
very big buildings.
हाँ.
Big buildings. There there live in a rich and poor and middle class families etc. That's it. Thank you. सर हो गया. हेलो सर, मेरी वॉइस नहीं आ रही?
वही सारी है. मनीषा तुम्हारा हेजिटेशन तो निकल रहा है धीरे धीरे. अभी
पर
सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग में अभी थोड़ा सा मजा नहीं आ रहा. आ जाएगा है ना. अब अपन चल भी रहे हैं ना, B10 में भी चल रहे हैं अपन.
यस सर.
तो अभी वो सब ठीक हो जाएगा, पर आप कोशिश करते रहो बस. जैसी कुछ चीजें मैं
ओके
बताऊं
सर.
तो उनको आप थोड़ा सा दिमाग में रख के नेक्स्ट टाइम पे और सुना जरूर करो अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग आप.
यस सर. थैंक यू सर.
सुनते हो?
यस सर, रेगुलर.
ओके. यस. कम ऑन हर्षित. हर्षित. हर्षित कहाँ गया?
सर वो नहीं है यहाँ पे.
चलो कोई बात नहीं. चेतना तुम आओ. हर्षित आ गया क्या?
यस सर.
कहाँ चला जाता है?
सर वो फोन आ गया था किसी
चल
का.
तेरा नंबर आ गया, बोल.
सर फिर यही बोल लेता है पहले, फिर मैं बाद में बोल दूंगी इसके.
हाँ इसको बोल लेते फिर बोल देते.
Hello friends, my name is Archit Mori. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch B9. Today's my topic is city life. City life is a very comfortable life because cities have a lot of facilities like electricity, water,
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी.
yes sir.
अरे इलेक्ट्रा नहीं, इलेक्ट्री.
Electricity, water,
हाँ.
etc. There
हाँ.
are very pollution because there are many traffic and
ट्रैफिक. मच ट्रैफिक.
yes sir, much traffic and factories. City has pakki roads. Cities has school, hospital, coaching, etc. City has not trees and pets. Most of the citizen is a
आर. आर.
engineer, government employer, teacher, etc.
हाँ.
They also care for their health.
यस.
There we find bus, car, helicopter, aeroplane, etc. there are
बेटा तू देख के तो नहीं बोल रहा कहीं?
सर वो मैं पहले लिख लेता हूँ ना।
देख के नहीं बोलना है आपको,
यस सर।
हटा दो आप उसको सामने से।
सर बोल दूं?
अब बिना देख के बोलना है बेटा, कैमरा चालू रखते रहे।
यस सर। There are three types people live like poor, middle और सर क्या होता है rich.
हायर,
Poor people live in कच्ची झोपड़ी. They not go anywhere. Middle class live in big houses. They go anywhere.
हाँ
Third is rich people. They live in very big houses. They go anywhere.
हाँ,
सर इसको क्या बोलते हैं? मैं एरोप्लेन और उसमें हेलीकॉप्टर में इनमें घूमती हूँ.
दे ट्रेवल
They travel in helicopter, aeroplane, etc. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। इस क्लास में बेटा अपने को देख के किसी को भी नहीं बोलना है ना? नहीं तो स्पीकिंग कभी भी नहीं कर पाएंगे अपन। ओके यस, कम ऑन चेतना, आ जाओ।
Yes. Hello guys, my name is Chetna Sokaria. I am a student of Raman Detective classes from batch B9. Today about topic is city life. City life is good life. City was very facilities.
सिटी वाज वेरी फैसिलिटीज का क्या मतलब हुआ?
सिटी सर, सिटी में बहुत सारी फैसिलिटीज है.
तो सिटीज हैव,
City have very facilities, hospital, schools, अनाथ आश्रम, etc.
हाँ,
City is good hospital and
वही बात, सिटी इज गुड हॉस्पिटल,
city like
cities
have good hospitals and schools.
हाँ,
City life very helpful and very healthful.
सिटी लाइफ इज,
City life is very healthful and very helpful.
हाँ ध्यान से बनाया करो सेंटेंस को, वर्ब को मिस मत किया करो। आगे बोलो।
सिटी इज सर करोड़ों को क्या बोलते हैं?
करोड्स ऑफ पीपल,
सिटी इज लिव करोड्स ऑफ पीपल.
क्या कर रही है चेतना?
सर शहर में बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं, करोड़ लोग.
सेंटेंस को ढंग से बनाना। करोड्स ऑफ पीपल लिव इन सिटीज,
करोड्स ऑफ पीपल लिव इन सिटी.
सब्जेक्ट को, वर्ब को, ऑब्जेक्ट को पहचानने की कोशिश तो कर, थोड़ा दिमाग तो लगा।
ओके सर.
आगे बोल।
सिटी इज नॉट फ्रेश हेयर
नहीं
बिकॉज पॉल्यूशन.
नहीं, ध्यान, आप सेंटेंस गलत बना रहे हो। सिटीज हैव पॉल्यूशन,
सिटीज हैव
पॉल्यूशन
पॉल्यूशन
बिकॉज देयर आर नॉट ट्रीज।
बिकॉज देयर आर नॉट ट्री. सर मैंने ऐसे बोला है कि मतलब सिटी में फ्रेश मतलब हवा नहीं है, क्योंकि इसका कारण ये है कि मतलब पॉल्यूशन.
तो आप ऐसे लिख दो ना, देयर इज नॉट फ्रेश एयर इन सिटीज, या सिटीज डोंट हैव फ्रेश एयर बिकॉज देयर इज पॉल्यूशन। ऐसे अच्छे से बना के बोलो सेंटेंस को थोड़ा सा।
जी सर. देयर वाज फ्रेश नॉट वाटर.
फिर वही बात, वाज फ्रेश नॉट वाटर, ऐसे कैसे सेंटेंस बना रहे हो आप? देयर इज नॉट फ्रेश वाटर,
देयर इज नॉट फ्रेश वाटर.
क्या हो रहा है आज आपको?
पता नहीं सर आज क्या हो रहा है.
जो खुद क्या से क्या हो जाता है, जो क्या हो रहा है गाँव में, तो बैरूज थोड़ी आ रहे हैं।
नहीं सर आज है ना बहुत ज्यादा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है.
उसको अपन ऐसे कर रहे हैं, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ?
नहीं सर घर में ना एक प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, इस वजह से थोड़ा सा माइंड काम कम कर रहा है.
चलो कोई बात नहीं है, लास्ट में बोलना अगर तुम्हारा मन हो तो, है ना?
हाँ जी सर.
चलो शमा आओ।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Shama Sharma. I am the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from B9. Today I'm telling about city life. City life is comfortable life. City life is comfortable because there are many facilities in cities.
शाबाश, हाँ, सुना
Most
चेतना
of
अच्छे से, हाँ,
most of the cities dwellers most of the cities dwellers are government employee, doctors, and doctor, engineer, etc. There are nice and big school, universities, and college, etc. There are many vehicles because because there because because there is a pollution.
है,
Sorry sir,
there
sir.
is pollution because there are many vehicles.
Okay sir.
व्हीकल की वजह से पॉल्यूशन होता है, पॉल्यूशन की वजह से थोड़ी व्हीकल होते हैं।
Okay
कोई
sir.
बात नहीं, आगे बोल।
There are many problems in cities.
हाँ,
So there are planted in cities.
मतलब
वहां पर पेड़ लगाने चाहिए सर।
हाँ, तो ऐसे बोले ना, we should plant
अच्छा,
the trees, as a trees should be planted there.
ओके सर, ओके
ऐसे
सर।
मत बना लो, trees should be planted there, या
वी
we should plant trees there.
वी शुड बी planted there.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, trees should be planted there.
ओके सर।
आगे बोलो।
Why which nice there are nice teacher in cities.
है,
वहां पर बहुत अच्छे टीचर होते हैं सर।
by which क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
जिनमें अच्छे टीचर होते हैं।
किसमें टीचर होते हैं? अभी
जैसे
तो बात कुछ और चल रही थी आपकी, कहाँ पहुंच गए?
सर मैं बोल रही हूँ। There are many factories and vehicles in cities,
हाँ,
and there are people hurry. There are many people hurry in cities. लोग जल्दी
हाँ, people are in hurry,
people are in hurry.
हाँ, in cities.
Okay, sir. There are city dwellers. The city dwellers can get nice education, and they become doctor and engineer, teacher, officer, etc.
कैमरा चालू करना अपना।
Yes,
अब
sir.
बोलो, अब बोलो।
There are not fresh air in cities.
There is
There
not fresh air.
Okay, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
Most of the people come on in cities.
हाँ, come to cities.
Come cities because because when the children get nice education in cities, and
Because they show that,
so that okay sir,
जिससे कि हाँ,
see ki.
आगे बोलो।
And there are means of entertainments in cities.
हाँ,
There are many vehicles in cities.
हम्म,
There are many facilities like this airport, railway station, etc.
हम्म,
There are there are there are there are big library in cities,
Hmm.
and and सर ताकि को क्या बोलते हैं ताकि
So that
so that they can get all people nice education,
मतलब
ताकि हम लोग सभी को अच्छी एजुकेशन दे सकें, अच्छी शिक्षा दे सकें।
इससे पहले क्या था?
ओके सर, ओके, मुझे समझ में आ गया, बोल रही हूँ, so that we can get people nice education, and there is not fresh air in cities.
एयर ही नहीं, एयर।
There is not fresh air. There are many. एक सेकंड सर। There are, उनको क्या बोलते हैं, बड़े बड़े वो ढाबे ढाबे होते हैं, उनको क्या बोलते हैं सर?
बड़ी होटल्स,
क्या सर?
रेस्टोरेंट्स।
ओके सर, there are many restaurant in cities. There are many facilities in cities because there are not facilities in village,
हाँ।
and and there are many park, many park, etc. They can they ni- they they go to exercise, and walking in cities, etc. And there are pakki roads in cities. That's it, sir.
कोशिश बहुत अच्छी कर रहे हो, शाबाश, करते रहो आप।
Okay,
सुनना
sir.
जरूर अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग को, है ना?
Okay, sir.
यस, ओके, यस, कम ऑन श्री।
Hello everyone, my name is Shri. Today's our topic is village life. India is a very big country and 30% people live in cities. City life is very easy and easy because there are so many facilities like school, college, hospitals, etc. And city developers are uh, mm, educated so easily they can get job, and but city developers are not healthy uh, because there are so much pollution, and there because people so much use सर साथ है ना, गाड़ी घोड़ों को क्या बोलते हैं?
व्हीकल्स।
Vehicles, because they so much use vehicles, and and there are there are so many so and people use so much, and people are cutting the trees, so uh, so so pollution is so much, and there are so many diseases like asthma, sugar, bp, etc. And people are not healthy because in air is polluted, food is polluted, water is polluted, all things are polluted in the cities, and
शाबाश।
and children are also suffering from asthma, and so people So we should not cut the trees because of the cutting the trees. Because of the cutting the trees, pollution is increasing. So
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
thank you, sir. So we should grow the trees, and the government try to control the pollution, and people should grow the trees more and more. There are pakke houses and pakki roads in cities, and there are so many parks in cities, and people people and there are there are all facilities. So uh, then there are so many facilities, mm, then village, and people village city dwellers not don't do physical hard work. They do mental hard work, so they need to exercise, and then the villagers don't need the exercise because they do physical hard work. uh, so city dwellers also should do hard work, and they and so city life is very easy. That's it, sir.
शाबाश,
Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बोलती तू,
Thank you, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोलने लगी बेटा.
Thank you.
कब आई थी मेरे पास? तुम मई में आई थी ना?
हाँ.
मई में आई थी. जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश. यस, कम ऑन अरायना.
Yes. Hi everyone. My name is Araina and I am student of Ramban English in Live Interactive Classes. Today our topic is city life. Every village person want to go in city. City is a dream of poor people. City have so beautiful parks, buildings, home, monuments, restaurant, and many more. City has job, factory, vehicle, and much more. City has so many vehicles. That's why reason of pollution. In the in city there are three type of people. First, the rich people. Second, the middle, and third, the poor people. The rich people who have uh, so many faculties, so many comfort zone, and
बोल बेटा, बोल. शाबाश.
they earn so much money, and they think their wear is so costly. Second, the middle class that don't have so much facilities.
Facilities बेटा.
Facilities. Yes, sir. They do not have such facilities. They earn so much because they need to they need money. They work hard to earn money, and
शाबाश, बोल बेटा.
they who have money but not too much. They have money but not too much. The third person, the poor, the one who work hard but do not earn so much money. That and city have best hospital but do not have fresh air, water, food, clean land. That's why the disease is many. The city has many diseases, but village do not have. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते हो, शाबाश.
Thank you.
वेरी गुड. कोई रहता नहीं क्या?
नहीं सर।